Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shuaiba. I'm from class A. In this video, I will tell you about question from to do, to have, to be, and question word. The first, count. What do you need to count for the project? Where can I count the votes for the election? When do you plan to count the inventory? Why is it important to count the number of participants? Who will count the ballots after the voting ends? Which items do you need to count for the report? Whom shall I ask to help count the tickets? Whose responsibility is it to count the funds? How do you usually count the data for analysis? To be, I am counting the result right now. They are counting the votes after the election. She was counting the number of offenders at the event. We were counting your express last month. To do. Do you often count your steps when you walk? Does he count the hours he spends on homework? Did you count the number of pages in the report? To have, I have counted all the response from the survey. Have you counted the items before submitting the order? Correct. What do you need to correct in your paper? Where can I correct the errors in my application? When do you plan to correct in mistakes in the report? Why is it important to correct misinformation? Who will correct the final draft of the document? Which section do you need to correct before submission? Whom did you ask to help you correct the presentation? Whose responsibility is it to correct the errors in the database? How do you usually correct your work after reviewing it? To be, I am correcting the errors in my assignment now. They are correcting the data before filling the report. She was correcting the student papers last night. We were correcting the misunderstandings during the discussion. To do. Do you often correct your friends when they make mistakes? Does he correct his student work regularly? Did you correct the assumption made in the meeting? To have, I have correct all the issues point out in the feedback. How you correct the calculation in your analysis? They had correct the document before sending it out. Blame. What do you blame for the project's failures? Debate. What topic do you want to debate in the next session? Where will debate take place next week? When do you plan to prepare for the debate? Why is it important to in a debate on this issue? Who will moderate the debate this time? Which side do you think will win the debate? Whom should invite to participate in the debate? Whose argument do you find more convincing in the debate? How do you usually prepare for a debate? To be. I am debating the merits of the new poly today. They are debating the con, con, to be. I am debating the merits of the new police today. They are debating the consequence of climate change. She was debating whether to join the team or not. We were debating the rules before the complications start to do. Do you often debate with your friend about current event? Does he debate topic in class regularly? Did you debate the issue thoroughly before making a decision? To have, I have debated topic many times before. Have you debate the proposal with your challenge? They have debated the merits and drawback of horse. Present. What do you present during class? Where do you present your findings? When do you usually present your work to them? Why is it important to present your ideas clearly? Who present the report at the meeting? Which topic do you present in your lectures? Whom do you present your project to? Whose team is it present today? How do you prepare to present effective? To be. I am presenting my research this afternoon. They are presenting their findings at the conference. She is presenting a new initiative to the board. We are presenting our project to the stakeholders tomorrow. Do you present your work to Jens often? Does he present his ideas in a clear manner? Did you present your rulers during the last meeting? To have. I have present my proposal for review. Have you present your work to the class? The have present several solutions to the problem. Answer. What you need to answer in the quiz? Where should I answer the question on the form? When do you plan to answer the email from your passport? Why is it important to answer question clearly? Who will answer the question during the meeting? Which question do you need to answer first? Whom did you ask to answer your inquiries? Whose turn is it to answer the next question? How do you usually answer difficult questions? To be, I am answering the question on the desk now. They are answering the survey questions. She was answering the phone when I arrived. We were answering emails all afternoon. To do. Do you often answer questions during class discussions? Does he answer all his messages promptly? Did you answer the question on the exam? To have. I have answered all the questions in the assignment. Have you answered the call from your supervisor? And answer the queries before the deadline. Mention. What did you mention in your presentation about the project? Where shall I mention the source of my information? When do you plan to mention the change in the meeting? Why is it important to